In the last video, I said I would be constructing the sewing table, but I decided instead to show how the sewing machine was adorned after stripping and repainting. Using a metallic gold pen, the scrolls, faceplate, balance wheel, and spool pins are defined. The needle is now defined with silver leaf rub and buff. The best part of adorning the sewing machine was adding nail decals. With the selection I had, there were infinite ways to do this. One thing was for certain, I wanted it to be as ornate as the inspiration photo and many antique sewing machines from the late 19th to early 20th centuries. The parts defined with the gold pen looked muted next to the decals, so they were enhanced with Treasure Gold by FolkArt, making everything pop. Acetone is used to clean up the imperfections from painting, taking extra care not to damage the black enamel paint. Silver leaf rub and buff is used again to create the feed plate. Acetone is also used again to clean up imperfections. To make the feed plate and needle stand out more, sterling silver by FolkArt is applied. The sewing machine is first given a coat of satin polycrylic, but when it dried, it dulled the paint, so DuraClear satin varnish was applied, leaving a beautiful shine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.